In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data and perform a data backup in Zoho Books, a vital skill for safeguarding your business information. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to open Zoho Books. Head over to your preferred web browser and log into your Zoho Books account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now let's navigate to the Sales tab, which is essential if we're looking to export sales-related data like quotes or invoices. Click on Sales in the side menu on your left. Doing this should open up a new set of options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Quotes. This action will bring you to an overview of all your existing quotes, including their statuses and additional relevant details. Now, to export the data, look for the three-dot icon. It typically represents more options, usually located in the upper right of your screen or near the primary functions for the page you are on. Click on that icon, and a drop-down should appear. In that drop-down menu, there will be an export option. Selecting export is your next crucial step. Once you've done that, within the same menu, you'll see Export Quotes. Click on this option to initiate the export process for your quotes. After clicking Export Quotes, you will likely be presented with the file format options or confirmation dialog. Complete the required preferences and click on Export again. Your selected data will now be downloaded to your computer, ready for your records or any other usage you might have in mind. With your quotes successfully exported, let's move on to backing up your data, a critical step for ensuring all your information can be restored if anything happens to the current data. In the left sidebar, click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, search for and click on Data Administration. This section manages your database options, including backups and data restoration features. Inside Data Administration, select Backup Your Data. It's vital to conduct regular backups to ensure your data is safe and can be retrieved in case of emergency. Upon clicking Backup Your Data, you will typically see a button labeled Continue. Click this button to proceed with the data backup process. The system will start preparing your backup, securely archiving it in a format that you can download or store as needed. And just like that, you've completed the process. Your data has been successfully backed up. Remember, keeping your Zoho Books data up to date and backed up is a significant part of efficient and safe business management. Regular backups can prevent data loss and ensure a smooth operation of your business processes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more guides on using Zoho Books effectively.